Hey guys, Dr. Beddoe here, physical therapist, and happy Thanksgiving. There are so many amazing things to be thankful for, and I hope you guys are celebrating with your family. And today I want to do a quick video about jumping into the beautiful ocean, but more importantly, hot and cold therapy. So when we go from hot and cold, what we're kind of doing is when we go to cold water, we're doing some vasoconstriction of our blood vessels, which is causing it to get really, really small. And then when you get out, it opens it up. So it helps the circulation. It also is going to help because if you guys are doing it after an exercise, after you guys are working out, it's really good for your muscles to have that vasoconstriction and that vasodilation to help blood flow to those muscles, help get that lactic acid out, help them get good nutrients in. And so today, we're going to jump in the water. I know it looks sunny, but the water's really cold right now, and we're going to go in. My father-in-law, Tony, is going to be jumping in with me. Woo! Here we go.
Go, boys, go! Go get that cold water! Go, go, go! It is cold water in Southern California. My goodness. Speeds up your metabolism to process all that turkey.